This is the Paranologies Tricam. This is our newest version for 2017. The Tricam is a 3-camera panoramic DVR system. So what that means is it has a camera on the front operator, 2 cameras on the forward-facing module. These 2 cameras line up panoramically. That way, all of your footage is one image, 180 degrees across the front. I'm going to turn it on. The power button's right here. This is your power button for your screen. The screen is intended to be used only for checking if you're in frame or if you want to check to see if you caught any evidence. The screen does pull some power, so we recommend that when you're using it, you turn the screen off. Simply by doing that. As long as the power button's on, and as long as there's a green light here and a red light. The red light is the indicator for the DVR system that it does have power. When it's recording, this green light will be flashing. That's what's important here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the screen back on so you can see some of the images. So you can see right here, you can see me set up there and the 2 cameras in our little workshop there. They're all lined up panoramically. It does come with a wireless remote that you can use to set up if you need to check and change any of your settings. Infrared receiver is actually in the front. It will pick it up from the side. So if you want to change any of the settings, if you want to make it, it does come in high def, so you can change that if you want to create more space on your SD card. You just hit exit. It does have individualized screens, so you can press number 1 right here and go full screen. Press number 2, go to camera 2 for full screen, or press the quad button right there and the exit, and that will take you back into 4-screen mode. It comes with a infrared illuminator right here on the front. There's 24 LEDs. It does brighten up the room very well, and these cameras are UV and infrared sensitive. So if you do have a UV illuminator, it'll work with that as well. This camera is intended to catch great EVPs, but also be able to debunk if the camera operator may be making a noise, or if anybody's out in frame that you can't really get on a standard camera, to kind of debunk that an EVP came from them. So if you have everybody in frame, plus the camera operator, and you do pick up an EVP, it helps legitimize the fact that there was nobody there and a voice is coming through. The other good thing is that with a microphone set up like this, when you get EVPs, it's generally louder on one side or the other. So when you put it in your DVR system to review, you can kind of pinpoint where the EVP is in the room. It might be louder on one side or the other. For the next video, please check out the software. I'll tell you how to download the software and how to install it and drop the files in. SD card does go into the front of here. It'll take up to 64 gig SD card, standard SD card. If there's any other questions, please go to paranologies@yahoo.com to email us. Thank you.